Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely Sholanke and this is Nandita.
Hi guys.
And today we're gonna answer questions we have never thought of having conversation in or on. on. And it's all friendship questions. First question, what's one thing you love about me and one thing you hate about me?
Okay, love about you is how you maintain your friendships with everyone because it's very pure and it's very someone might get jealous of the friendships that you actually made. But touch wood, guys, no. But then and then something I hate about you, maybe not hate, I might tolerate something is maybe when you're late or something and I'm actually waiting down and you get so late and then not hate, but I just tolerate that.
For me, I think it's you being very emotionally available and you're always there for a person if you care about them, and you're always, and for me, no, I think there's a comfort zone between us, which I don't think so anyone else can have. With anyone else I can have. And one thing I don't like about her is she is too giving. Even if it's like a good quality, she's too giving and she does not know how to say no. And I do not like that about her. But she's improving.
Yeah, I'm improving.
She's improving, but then still it's bad because I feel like there are so many people who took advantage of her not saying no to people. Now that bro, I think the lighting is changing, Baba. But now that she's changed.
Yeah.
But it took her like 2 to 3 years to change, and before she wasn't like this, and suddenly when like she had like a break of 2 years or so, that is when she changed. She became a very introvert person, which is why people used her a lot of times, and I told her ki nahi karna hai, but now there's a change for sure.
Yes, I have changed, guys.
Yes. Lighting problem, guys, please bear with it because I don't know, Bangalore weather is just not in our hand. How do you handle fights or misunderstanding?
I have never had that kind of fights till now.
Between us, I don't think so. There's a major fight, and like, I think we have the same opinion about so many stuff.
Yes.
So there's no conflict or misunderstanding in anything. And I feel like if there's a problem, I tell it to her then and there, and if she has a issue, she also tells it then and there. And I don't think so. We have reached. I mean, we've had.
If it goes to that point, then I think I would just be quiet and ignore the fight, and that is not a good thing. Please talk it out. But my personality is like that. I wouldn't talk.
Which is wrong.
Yes, very wrong.
I think even I am like this. I feel like until and unless my ghada is not full, I do not speak about it. I try to ignore the situation. But in between us, I don't think that there's like anything like that. But in general,
I mean, when the person is ready to understand, then okay, I can talk about it to them. But then when that person is not ready to listen only, and they're just like, okay, you are wrong, you have not done this, you have not done that, then maybe I would ignore the
We've had friendships like this.
We've had friendships.
We've had friendships where like we've given like 100% and we've not received 1% also. So that is why I'm like, and I think it is our fault only because we let it go till that level where that person is not putting any efforts and we are putting all the efforts. So I think it's just
but when that person is ready to listen, then you can at least talk and sort it out. But when that person is not ready to understand only and he's just thinking of himself, or he or she's thinking about themselves, then there's no point in talking, and that is why I ignored certain stuff and I move on. But it is not good, guys. Please don't do that.
Yes. What's something your friend does not realize you appreciate about them? आज तारीफ ही तारीफ मिलने को सुन रही है. I mean सुनने को मिल रही है.
So I should tell
something you appreciate about me.
Appreciate about you? Yeah, because she's actually very pretty, okay, and she really doesn't understand that, and she's always conscious about how she looks and all that. But then she's actually very pretty, guys, inside out.
Yeah, same. I feel like Nandita, again, she's very giving. You cannot feel uncomfortable with Nandita. It's like even though she's an introvert, but the energy which you get from Nandita is never uncomfortable or never ki, oh my god, should I talk? Oh my god, should I not talk? We can silently also sit together without having a conversation. It will still be comfortable. Overall, a very positive human. Do you believe friendship needs efforts like relationship?
No, I think there is separate efforts that you put in for friendship and relationship. friendship there is a different effort that you put, and for relationship there is a different effort that you put. And I think, according to me, there should be more efforts put in friendship, because
Yeah.
without efforts friendships don't don't live longer. So I think friendship should have more
I
efforts.
think according to me, see, both of them have their own level of putting in efforts, and I think it's equally like जितना relationship में efforts डालना है उतना ही friendship में भी डालना पड़ेगा, because of course it's like
Because I think in relationships unknowingly also you will put in some efforts.
Yeah, that
In
is-
friendships you can't do that. Once you get that distance, then I think it will become
Yeah, that's
really the
true.
same. So that is why I think you should put a little bit more efforts than you put it for relationships.
I think that's what it's on everyone के लिए अलग अलग priorities होगी. For me, I think for us right now it's
Right, yeah.
friendship.
I
Because-
think it will be friendships forever.
Yeah, that's what, yeah. I mean, after we get married, our priorities might change, but then the efforts will still be same according to me too. I think so.
Yes.
Have you outgrown a friendship? It's on you how you grow together and maintain the friendship. It is normal. It is normal to outgrow a friendship, but from my side, I have never.
Okay, I think I have lost like a lot of friends because of miscommunication, yes, misunderstanding, yes, and
Because people
distance,
used you.
yes.
Stop putting good stuff about you. Just it's like we want to tell that person was a bitch, but then we are just trying to be adults and we're just like, oh my god, distance aa gaya, and something bad happened. I want to tell whatever she did or whatever he did, but of course I can't tell. What's the biggest green flag in a female friendship? I feel that's what, just being there for each other.
Yeah, I think being there for
And I
each
feel
other.
like female friendship is hard to find. हमें तो मिल गए because we were in a girls college, so we found like good female friendship. But then when you're in a co-ed college or something like that, I don't think so. It's very easy to find a female friendship, because of course you'll have like male attention and all that stuff, and girls do change in front of boys. I too think.
And I think consoling is something that I like. I think friends should console you whenever you're feeling down or bad or sad.
Yeah. How has your friendship changed you as a person?
Okay, yeah, it has completely changed me, because if I compare my 11th and 12th me with current me, there is a lot of difference, and it's only because of my friends. Because if they say if you like get real friends, you actually tend to open up with them,
Yeah.
and you get to be your real you. So that time I was not the real me, and I was literally a nerd kind of a person. But now, once I joined my college and after I met these people, my extrovert side has come out. I wouldn't say extrovert, like not
Ambivert.
extrovert, but yeah, I started talking to people who are now close to me, and I started like putting in efforts, and we talk.
I think I have learned how to speak for myself without like filling myself till the end and then bursting. I think I've learned how to confront. I do not like confrontations, but I have learned how to confront people and how to tell people that I don't like some stuff. I was always like this, but then I think I lost that in past 2 years or something like that. But yeah, I have changed.
So I have actually, yeah, my personality, my character has also changed.
What do you mean character? But yeah.
Yeah, actually my character has changed, bro.
I think I know Nanda from 7th standard, but we were classmates from 8th standard. Till 10th, Nanda was this extrovert person, and she used to be very fun. We were benchmates, we used to sit together and all. But after 10th, she changed her college. I think she was alone there. So because of that, I think you became very introverted.
Yeah, introvert, plus there were some
Yeah,
stuff
there was
that
some
made
trauma.
me, yeah,
That college was a dash.
disaster.
But yeah, disaster. But uske baad when we met in college, I think धीरे धीरे she opened up, because there was a huge change on 10th standard ki Nandita and like first year ki Naiva, because I could see that she's become very close.
Yeah.
Matlab she did not write, matlab she could not open up so soon, but then later धीरे धीरे she got herself back.
Now I'm back, guys.
Yes. How do you deal with jealousy or insecurities in friendship?
Oh my god. I've never had this friendship where I'm jealous of anyone. So this question is not applicable to me.
Yeah, I don't see, it's like even we have friendship for like almost how many years? 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12.
You're not there, no?
Yeah, so 6, 7 years we were friends, okay? I don't think so. I think we've passed that stage where we need to have jealousy or insecurity over some. When she's having her high points, when she's having her high points in her career, in her personal life, I am always happy and I will always cheer for her. But I don't think so we've ever had insecurity or jealousy
Yes.
between us. Or in any, like हमारा जो group है उसमें तो I don't think so anyone has any kind of insecurity or jealousy. But if you do, then the friendship is not real. Just be vocal about your insecurities and jealousy. That might help you improve the friendship.
But
or
I think
something.
if there is a real friendship, then jealousy has no place in
Yeah.
that. If
You
there
just have
is
to be
jealousy-
happy and just be there for your friend when they need you.
and if there is jealousy, then that is not true friendship.
That is not true friendship. How do you both keep your bond strong when life gets busy? I feel like, bro, it's a really bunch. We've never had that situation where like we're not there for each other because we are busy karke.
Even though like we would have not spoken for a while, even though when we meet like after a long time, we are still the same.
But I think
So-
that we've never had like ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 week का distance would be there, but not more than that. Like somehow we are connected or something like that. I mean, between us, I don't think there was any point where like there was distance or we got busy in our own lives and we forgot each other. Okay.
I thought in case there has been a distance, then I would prefer to like meet you guys directly, face to face, rather than on calls, because I'm not a call person, guys. So
Madam is not a call person. Madam is not a text person. You just have to meet her. That mean, if she's not comfortable with you, she'll be introvert.
No, I talk to these people properly.
To me and to our group, but not other people.
Yeah, but I don't care about other people.
How do you handle it when you both disagree on something important? I think we just try to see. First of all, we've never disagreed on. Our opinions match a lot. That is why
Yeah,
there's a
our
comfort
groups,
zone.
yeah.
But if there's a disagreement, I think we just talk it out and we just try to understand both the opinion and see which is correct, and just go with the opinion.
Yeah, I think we have put in our opinions wherever we want to, and we have heard what the other person's opinion is too.
Yeah.
So there has never been such a situation till now. I feel.
Yeah, between us, I don't think so.
We've never disagreed on anything. It's always been a mutual opinion.
We've disagreed on. We've disagreed on that.
Yeah.
There's
There's
this
nothing
one
more that has
topic.
happened.
See, the thing is, I'll tell you about something. We can't tell the topic, but yeah, there's this one topic which we've had a lot of disagreements, but I don't think so we can talk about it right now, but yeah. How has your definition of friendship changed over the years?
Like, until 12th, I think it was just like, okay, I'm going to college, I'm talking to them, and we're having fun here, coming back home, and there's nothing. Now the friendship is not like that, okay? Now we, even though after coming home, we text, we do everything. Like, it is not just for, the sake of it. It's actually a friendship that is happening right now. And that time it was just like, okay, I just want to have fun, I'm going with them.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I feel like that time of friendship also we still have our 10th friends, but that time our way of maintaining a friendship was way different, because every day we used to meet and used to be there with each other like till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. But now I feel like friendship for me is just being there. I want that person to be there for me. I want to be there. I want to be there at their lows, their highs, everything. I do not want to miss out on. And I am a very I might invade your personal life, but I am that kind of friend where I want to know everything. And it is I am very vocal about that also.
That's
I want to know
good.
about everything, and I do not want you to hide something about yourself. What is the friendship when you have to hide something about yourself when you're not comfortable saying about something to me or something like that?
There are some 10th friends whom we are still in touch, and we are like really good
They are the
friends.
only friends, brother.
Yeah,
Very rare for you to lose your school friends.
Yes.
Because that friendship is very low maintenance kind of friendship where you just have to not like we talk every day, we talk 2 महीने में एक बार, फिर भी it's the same. Like for example with Neha, even though I met her after 2 years, I never felt uncomfortable because we had that bond in 10th standard or whatever. But I never
That's what
felt.
there are some friends who are like, you know,
Yeah.
really in touch and really, you know, with us
That's
till
what
now.
I think with 10th friends there is no need of calling each other like कर भी सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं कर सकते हैं, but I don't think
Even though after a long time we meet, it's always the
yeah,
same.
it's always the same. But with, I feel like when you have your college friends, your expectations are very different in friendship than your school friends.
Because I think school friends are like, we have seen them from our childhood and
Yeah.
their childhood, so it's a little different friendship. And when you're getting into an adult friendship that is in college, it is actually very difficult, you know, find friends, to talk to them and have a true friendship like how we have.
Yeah. I think we personally also have grown a lot. Like I don't see, Nandita was never my best friend before degree. She had her own group, I had my own group, and in 10th, like after 10th, we used to talk but not in like a daily basis. But then when I saw her in my college, we did not even know that we were going in the same college. So when I saw her, I knew that, you know, this friendship is gonna last like forever. I think for touch wood, it should last.
It will.
It will last, but yeah, like I could see that, you know, I was happy to see her because we used to sit together like in 9th and 10th, like for 2 years we used to sit. She was my teacher in 9th and 10th. You know those remedial students who make teachers make you sit with the topper, so she was a topper and I was a remedial.
I was a
मतलब जो भी है,
mediocre.
but sir made me sit with her to study and everything, and then I think we did bond, even though she had her own damn group. But yeah,
But yeah, two of them are no longer my friends.
Nandita, we still hang out with them. But yeah, I don't think so. They will care
Don't
about
understand.
that. Okay. Yes, thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. And please let us know which else video do you want us to make,
Yes.
so that we can make it.